Hello, everybody. So, today is Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th of uh, September every year on the birthday of Dr. Radhapalli Krishnan. In the ancient time, it is said in Sanskrit, Guru Gobind dou khade काके लगो पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. सो पुराने समय में गॉड और भगवान अगर दोनों गॉड और गुरु दोनों सामने हैं तो गुरु को श्रेष्ठ बताया गया है. सो बट नाउ अ डेज एजुकेशन इज थिंक ऑफ सेलिंग स्किल्स. Because of that, not only our students are suffered, but also good teachers are also faced difficulties, not only in running their families, but they are not able to survive and make the future kids. So from a long there was a system which is teacher centered. A teacher is standing between in the class, and we have to focus on what they have taught us. But as the time changed, our NEP also changed. The time to focus on students, not on their skills, means the education should be student centric, which will help to make the future generation to be ready for life skills. To build a great nation, a developed country. Government also provide many schemes for teachers to make them updated on technology and methodology. This is Pratiksha Maheshwari, practicing counseling psychologist. So today we are going to discuss about how a teacher will be best and who is the best teacher. Education is not learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think, analyze, and to create. The 5 C's are very important, and which first is choices, second is collaboration, third is communication, fourth is critical thinking, fifth is creativity. So teacher should have fun loving, having a passion for their subject, love and care for the kids. um, you can they can show empathetic whenever it is required. A funny, funful, energetic, creative, and insightful teacher is always in demand who can inspire the future of the world. Choices, first 5 C's में से first is choices. Choices make the future generation more satisfying. Second is communication, which make them feel more confident. Collaboration, collaboration make them feel strong to applying strategies, methodologies, and team building. Then critical thinking make them aware of today's need and increase their ability to explore methodology and new ideas and give them the power of analyze. Then creativity in itself is unique, pleasurable, satisfying activity towards a problem for getting solution. So my last statement is, mind is not like a vessel which you can fill by the here and there whatever is available, but it's a kind of wood that's need to be ignited by a teacher for the students. So happy Teachers Day to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Positive Mind. We are available on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you.